Ekuseni ngibone iLaphen Boy ngathi ulala umnyecheri nyalo musha.
Hayi kwa-Ila kuyabaphula King bogeli labahle. Ila is a real one King. Ila uyabaphula bogeli labahle mlingani. Angifuni
Ngibone
icambe
iLaphen
manga.
Boy, iLaphen Boy King ngathi kuphethe silwane semntwana nyalo. Angathi mara lo waqala bekafly.
No, I think iLaphen Boy mlingani official ngabogeli labahle. Like that dude is just official bafana. As far as market because kusuka kulomunye King Madumane. Nyalo ngase kulandze omunye Madumane waseLesotho yini type thing.
Ngiyaye Lesotho King, ngasikudzala ngiyaye Lesotho ngenteka tabe ngiyimile ngasikudzala.
Yabona nawungabambisa kwa-Ila. Hey, lo mjida lo yami mlingani senguthi I think is one of the goats ku hip hop yakangwane. That's fair.
King. Igoat.
Is one of the goats.
Mangabe yabona King, I'm not hating on a nigga, understand? If that cat is one of the goats, which means there was never hip hop in Swaziland and it will never be. If iGoat is not measured iLaphen Boy King, that nigga King, I won't lie, is a good guy socially. Uyasithi abantu abadzala wakatindlu ngathi tingwa nanani and stuff. That nigga is pushing, is one of the hardest working guy I know. But when it comes to hip hop, dog, as a sport, and I'm passionate about it, dog. If you're talking like that, hip hop for it, uyangilimata kusho ukuthi hip hop King kuthi lokwendiwe eSwatini mangabe iLaphen Boy King is the goat hip hop.
Man, so ukhuluma nge-lyricism or
like ngikhuluma ngemusic mfethu ngilalela imvo emnanzi bese say this is just hip hop, dog. This is nice, this is pure, this is fair.
Hey, I think nasikhuluma mina nangacabanga amajita kangwane like lengwathi music wawo ngiyambala iLaphen Boy because he played on the radio, he performed and he did something big with it, so that's why ngimfaka kule category
magogo King. Manje kulolo kulalele wena King ube se decide wedwa lapha eMelika ukuthi le outlaw iGoat.
No, not per se. Ngibani lo myelo faka span mlingani lo matiko wena.
Like King, like when ukhuluma kiphi level mawuthona iLaphen Boy iGoat ukhuluma tukwani.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi na ungaya kumuntu mlingani athi bale ma hip hop artist kangwane lo watiko. That's the guy that's at the top of my head because he made music and people know his music.
Me, I don't know his music. I know songs lengakhona kwalalela ngwacetse. Most of his songs angicedzanga because there was nothing in it for me.
Buphi ke tshwala bam and if didn't King he really made songs
like
that
King,
guy.
Yabona King for it. If wena utaba lapho King eMelika ukhulume ngalangzane emajiteni ubalalelise langzane yekela. For me King, give me iLaphen Boy King is the workest nigga I've ever known to emerge out of that beautiful country called Swaziland. The workest nigga ever known to emerge in the country of Swaziland. But again, he's the purest soul, pure soul, dog. Mjito lo grand opanda kunakito lehle, uyabanaka abantu, wenda konke lo grand, you understand? But when it comes to the sport called hip hop, hey, we've got better artists the King Longababega as goats. Nokuthi ungabeka iLaphen Boy.
Bobani sangikuthi mina mlingani nangathiwa nyalo sicabanga ama lyricist. Nangabe sisikala ngaloko King ukuthi sicabanga ama lyricist. Ngambala I don't think you know this kid Zolisa Mota.
Yeah, mad. He's a lyricist.
Zolile 80 script. King exile outlay as far as lyricism bafana.
I've listened to him, King. I've listened to that cat. He's a nice cat, King. Makhuluma ngesteg mfethu. You're talking about that cat King is nice.
It's nice, yes. Zolile lyricist ngambala. Ngambala the Psycholution.
Psycho, yeah. Cibo.
Ngambala Cibo lyricism. Asengendi top 5 yami mlingani. Top 5 dead or alive. Yakangwane lyricism.
Dead or alive. That shit sounds serious. Yeah.
Ngambala, okay, no particular order. Ngamfaka Cibo, ngamfaka 80 script. And 80 script King.
80 script.
80 Script
one of the
is
nicest
one of
cats
the
too.
ones.
Yeah. Ngithi one of the nicest cats ngamlalela 80 Scripts King.
Yeah, it's one of the ones. 80 Script, so Psycholution, 80 Script, Cibo Intellectual. Kunalamanye amagenge angicabanga ukuthi awati King. It was Harold Oswin na Johannes. Beti esenkhohlule group yato yini Bayfly King. Bayfly. And then and as much as it is known mafana ngakufaka wena number 1.
Hey King manje soyagaga number 1.
No, list yam King and unayo le catalog leyo King. We can bring people bar for bar. Sibone ukuthi kwendekani. Ngakufaka lapho.
Inkinga mina I've never known. So
underground King.
Mina nawe nje King asingatifaki King. Mina nawe asingatifaki because mina nawe King. Mina nawe King for a fact. For a fact I've never listened to something the pure and so quality and so dope. Magrep hamne nawe mfowethu. No hating. No hate. Niggas are dope. We've got dope niggas Eswatini King. But I've listened to you, dog, rapper. Mbambe le mic. Nothing compares to that. For me, who del versi? Longal presenter. Etafuleni to say, little verse lady. Like even to date, I'm talking about verses have been made after that. A lot of verses have been made after we recorded the track. But good del verse even today. Lingavela King Silbege, bar to bar, little verse lelo.
Good, but the thing is like good look at music lo King outside of a small circle. So maybe kufuna si upublish sibone ukuthi kwendekani. But nje I think those cats lawo bese ke King sangiphumile kule top 5. Okay, phangigcine ku4 because wena uthi ngakufaki.
Yeah, wangifaki mina.
Ngamfaka Ras King ku top 5 yami. Yeah, because the nigga is nice. Abamati. Yes, but ngamfaka lapho. Bese ke King kule category ya GOAT. Sengifaka Illa Pen Boy King. For me that's the GOAT.
Ngakela ukuthi wena accept wena ukuthi Illa Pen Boy angihate.
No, ani inanking opinion yami. Like this is not a statement of fact. This is my opinion.
Okay, King. Okay, since sesikhuluma ngalokho kenyalo, you understand? Wena why ubeke kuloko lapho? Why umbeke lapho Ida? Yini lokwenza wena njalo?
No, because he did hip hop King and he used that to do other things. I think he transcended hip hop mlingani. And is the only superstar that I can think of. Maybe Gnabo, Young Zesh and them, but I'm not familiar with those.
Again, was he a superstar with hip hop?
Yeah, he was.
Should he see to music gangwane chance?
He was because Illa Pen Boy King is the only cat locally say Mavuso. He feels that Mavuso.
I think King is see the music. I think he's a good influencer, King. Come on. He's a goat with influencing. He's a good influencer. He can call up people. He's connected like that, you understand? He can make that phone call that can trigger that nigga to come through, you understand? But when it comes to the goat, especially with the craft, the art, you're insulting us, King. We are too for it too.
No, it's bigger than the art. I think Illa Pen Boy is bigger than the art.
Man, let me and you talk about the art. Yeah, okay. Umbeka kulevel ban King art. I-penship yakhe.
Angimbali King as far as penmanship is concerned. Angimbali as far as penmanship is concerned.
Okay,
but he ukwatile kwakhe music King lo connecta nabantu. Bantu badata music wakhe. That's why ngithi mina King ngiyamfaka kule category.
I think mina King disconnected King ku real life. Because like athi ngayiva mina ikhuluma ngathi cheese nebhontshisi. I was like, what? That shit was work for me, King. In as much as I like the nigga, but it's not even like ukuthi ngiyamnyanya Illa Pen Boy ngikhuluma so. I like the nigga, but I'm sure ukuthi naye King if angayiva nemo ngimshela yona ngisho konyalo. Angasho ukuthi the nigga is true, dog. That's truth. You understand? I'm not dope like that. But the nigga has got influence. Illa Pen Boy influence King le incane wakhe nekhito lehle out there King. And I wish one day kusebenza naye King sendele ndetino tewakhela abantindlu and stuff like charity work. He's a dope nigga King. Nekhito lehle mchita is pushy like that. And you know what he can say my consult, my shows and everything. But when it comes to the pen King, I'm an advocate of the pen. Once you talk about the pen King, so far as sling a cards, anything I'm the pen King, we're leka. I think magic is dope. Magic is dope.
Oh, Magic ublind phela King. Magic utrainwe nang ngathini? Utrainwe
Eleb.
in utrainwe lab Magic mlingani. Where he went to the thing with some real ones. So hey, angathi ngicabanga ukuthi singayishiya lapho mlingani. But nje mina ngicabanga i-goat as far as music is concerned. Ilapen Boy is one of the ones. But as far as again nasingathi sesibuka penmanship King ekunanomjito kancumalo King Psycho. Kuna Psycho kuna 80 script.
Yeah.
80 script ubuhlungu
Like
ethe.
why
Yabona
wena
80
King
script.
kuma-goats ethu King ungafaki la mashita la ayi-2 lawa. Ngibani opha lo mjito sembabani ohlala lapha la behlala khona bophinde lapha.
Buphinda
Lapha etulo Ngoyoyo yini akusingoyoyo man lapha ejele prison lapha.
ngibani outle.
Beba host lama-back la wakhe ngiyakhumbula ma-head count.
Ketesi.
Those niggas King, they did a lot for hip hop. Ketesi and who's that other cat?
Mosaic
and Ketesi. For me, now when you talk about goats, especially when it comes to the culture, hey, those two cats, King Ketesi, Mosaic. I think King ngibona singabanika with the silver platter. I mean, I can allow it King because ngibona bazamile push hip hop bende ma shows bende lama head count. Those cats have been there for hip hop, especially for Swazi hip hop King. Ketesi, Mosaic, yeah.
No, yeah, lapho ngiya by contender King ya game by contender na Ilapen Boy. Ngiyathi yeah, manje la waspanile King for hip hop. Like they even have a classic album King. Yeah. They have a classic album Mosaic who producile kunengi labakwendile for hip hop. And so many other cats King who will never be known.
And so many other cats.
There's so many cats who will never be known.
Bekafunza Vali again.
Where mad Nongoloza?
Nongoloza bakafunza Vali King abanayo mina ngashaya freestyle ke kungimi kunongoloza kungisims kungamanye ama rap eJozi King sise VUT esigcele mara bese Swazi enangu eDomin King ngashaya nje freestyle ya 15 minutes Nongoloza King wangichawula sandla wathi kusendwana udope.
Hey, Nongoloza, I know Marty Nongoloza. Senglamai Machi the King, those cats will never be known. But
yeah,
Aspagi the span, but in your
mina nga influence ngama-G's.
Machiz will never be known. Bakhona Mkumblago Machiz King is one of the first few ones to do it big.
Yeah, mina that's the cat King wangitshela ukuthi kusendwana yendi rap ngaye ndikwaito ayikufanele.